Good afternoon, dear students. My name is Abu Jihad Ansari, Associate Professor, Department of English, Rajasthan Government Adersho English College. Today we are going to study HSC 2020 assignment number 2, subject English second paper, topic an essay on difference between online class and in-campus class. This is very important topic for the context of this COVID situation, because whole world is going through a very serious condition, serious scenario. At this pandemic situation, we have been compelled to take online classes throughout the whole year. So the Ministry of Education has directed you to write an essay, difference between online class and in-campus class. Now let us discuss what is online class and in-campus class. Now let us discuss. Education is the process that our mind develops through formal learning at school, college or university. These days we have two ways to achieve education. The very common and first one is campus education and another is online education. Online education is known as distance learning, where we can learn from online resources, or a learner can learn from his or teacher over video chat call. The method has risen in popularity over the last 2 decades. Some institutions have become more popular and pioneer platform for online education in the world. In Bangladesh, 10-minute schools, BD Classroom and Samsad TV and some local satellite channels have also telecasting some online classes through internet and via online classes. In Bangladesh, our full education system setting is based on on-campus classes. So before the COVID-19 pandemic, students were not used to online classes. There are many differences between online classes and campus classes. An online class is conducted over the internet, participating both learners and teachers. Here, teacher and students join in live meeting platform and arrange an online based class. They can communicate, ask questions, share experience and knowledge. Without that, an online class can be arranged through a learning management system where teachers share learning materials and students can ask questions about their problems. Then teachers can solve their problems. On the other hand, traditional on-campus classroom experience is different. Here the teachers and students attend in classroom physically. They both meet face to face. This education setting is very common and most students are used to it. Now, on the other hand, the traditional on-campus classroom experience is different. Here the teacher and students attend a classroom physically. They both meet face to face. The education setting is very common and most students are used to it. There are reasons why on-campus classes remain popular. When we meet face to face, with people and hear their stories and insights in person. It is easier to develop relationships and build community. This is the main pro and of on-campus classes. In a traditional classroom setup, we have greater opportunities to have an in-person conversation with a teacher or classmate. It helps us to better understand something we have learned or been wondering about. We can also learn many things out of books here, but it has some cons too. In campus classes enforce more structure. On the other hand, online classroom offers a range of benefits to succeed in pursuing your goals with a degree. Students can easily participate in the class without killing valuable time. Another benefit of being a part of online classroom is the opportunity to meet and learn from students who may not live in the same area as you. At the same time, online classes have some demerits too. In online classes, computers or mobiles may affect our eyesight, but there are no such types of traditional classes. The network problem of our country creates the main cause of it. Many poor students cannot buy internet packs because of their poverty. During the COVID-19 pandemic, my experience with distance learning was not very great. For example, I get distracted very easily and find it hard to pay attention in classes, especially when it comes to school. In a classroom, I was able to give my full attention to what was being taught. I was full there. At the same time, I failed to manage enough money to buy an internet pack. However, when we heard about the online classes, I could not focus and listen to what my teachers were trying to get across. COVID-19 creates a hard time for us. It has made a serious adverse impact on our education. Online learning is convenient and has fewer basic requirements compared with traditional learning. It also allows students who would have ordinarily not gone back to school or to access an education. However, online students do not benefit from close interaction with their peers and instructors as do their regular counterparts. Also, regular students can engage their instructors more easily and relatively faster in case they want to have certain section of the course explained, unlike online students. This is the difference between online class and in-campus class. So, dear students, this topic is very relevant. You write from your own experience about the difficulties and or advantages and disadvantages of online classes and also in-campus classes. I think online classes is the supplementary of the in-campus classes, so it cannot be avoided. You should go on with your online classes. Thank you everybody.